Good morning! Here is another day of me looking tired because I did not get out of bed at a good time. I am starving. Pretty sure it's because my period is here. Find your unity in your service to all. And I think that is a great statement because we are all one. We are all connected. So we need to find ways to help each other so that nobody will ever go without. There's some leftover steak in the fridge. I'm gonna cook it for my breakfast for some steak and egg-a-rooskies.
Parsley!
I'm making a tuna wrap. So what's in there is tuna with the mayo. I have chopped spinach that was frozen in a bag, cherry tomatoes, and feta cheese. So I just got home from spin and I got this at I'm gonna read this a little bit before bed and then a journal, and then I'm gonna go to sleep. It's actually already pretty late and I should be sleeping already, but when it's my time of the month, my sleeping is a little off at times. Good night and thank you for being here with me and watching me just try to figure out life and everything else in between. And yeah.